The 2026 model year introduces two distinct visions for the compact off-road segment. The Jeep Renegade, which leans into its identity as a tech-forward, urban-friendly baby Jeep, and the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ, a purist's ladder frame rig designed for durability and serious trail work. Capability and chassis. The most significant difference lies beneath the sheet metal. Toyota Land Cruiser FJ, built on the rugged IMV0 ladder frame platform, the FJ is a true 4x4. It features a part-time four-wheel drive system with a low-range transfer case and an available locking rear differential. It uses a traditional body-on-frame construction designed for torsional rigidity and easy repairability. Jeep Renegade, built on a unibody platform, the Renegade is technically a crossover. However, it punches above its weight in the Trailhawk trim, which features a 20:1 crawl ratio, skid plates, and specialized select terrain modes. It is more composed on pavement but lacks the ultimate mechanical durability of the Toyota's frame. Powertrain and performance. Toyota Land Cruiser FJ, Toyota prioritizes reliability over raw speed. It is expected to launch with the proven 2.7L, 2TR FE, naturally aspirated petrol engine, paired with a 6-speed automatic. It is a low-stress engine designed for long-term survival in harsh environments. Jeep Renegade, the Renegade offers more modern, punchy options. The 2026 lineup highlights the 4xe plug-in hybrid system, producing up to 240 HP and providing roughly 22 to 34 miles of pure electric range. There is also a 1.3L turbocharged 4-cylinder for those preferring traditional combustion with better low-end torque than the Toyota. Dimensions and design. Both vehicles are compact, but the Toyota is notably taller and more boxy. 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ. Length, 4,575 mm. Width, 1,855 mm. Height, 1,960 mm. Wheelbase, 2,580 mm. Turning radius, 5.5 meters. 2026 Jeep Renegade. Length, 4,236 mm. Width, 1,805 mm. Height, 1,667 mm. Wheelbase, 2,570 mm. Turning radius, 5.5 meters. Toyota design features retro-inspired cues like round LED headlamps, removable segmented bumpers for easy replacement, and a tailgate-mounted spare tire. Jeep design maintains the iconic 7-slot grille with updated X-motif lighting. It offers a more premium interior with a 10.1-inch Uconnect touchscreen and a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster. Target audience. Choose the Land Cruiser FJ if you want a forever vehicle for overlanding. It is for the enthusiast who values mechanical simplicity, modularity, and the ability to traverse deep ruts and rocks without worrying about unibody flex. Choose the Jeep Renegade if you want a stylish daily driver that can still handle a weekend trail. The Renegade is significantly easier to park, offers much better fuel efficiency, and has a more sophisticated suite of interior tech and safety features. Availability note: the Land Cruiser FJ is slated for a mid-2026 launch starting in markets like Japan and Thailand, with global expansion expected shortly after. The Jeep Renegade continues to be a staple in European and North American markets with its 2026 refresh focusing heavily on hybridization. To round out the comparison, here are the deeper technical specs and cabin details for the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ and the 2026 Jeep Renegade. Interior and technology. The contrast here is between digital comfort and analog utility. Jeep Renegade features a much more premium passenger car feel. It boasts a 10.1-inch Uconnect 5-center display with wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto and a 10.25-inch fully digital instrument cluster. The materials are soft touch, and the layout emphasizes ergonomics for daily commuting. Toyota Land Cruiser FJ, the cabin is designed for washout durability. You'll find more hard-wearing plastics and chunky, physical knobs that can be operated with gloves. While it features a modern touchscreen and digital gauges, the dashboard is vertically oriented to help the driver easily judge the vehicle's attitude while off-roading. Efficiency and daily usability. Fuel economy. The Renegade 4xe is the efficiency king here, capable of short commutes on electric power alone. The Toyota FJ, with its boxy aerodynamics and heavier ladder frame, is expected to average around 22 to 24 mpg combined, whereas the Jeep can see upwards of 70 plus mpge in hybrid mode. Maneuverability. Interestingly, both have a nearly identical turning circle of approximately 11 meters. However, the FJ's higher seating position and massive windows provide superior visibility for spotting rocks, while the Renegade's lower center of gravity makes it more stable during high-speed highway cornering. Safety and driver assistance. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, the FJ comes standard with a robust suite, including pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, proactive driving assist, and lane tracing. Its secondary collision brake is a standout feature that applies brakes automatically after an initial impact to prevent a second one. Jeep Active Safety. The Renegade focuses on urban safety with standard blind spot monitoring and rear crosspath detection. While it offers adaptive cruise control, it is often an optional extra on lower trims compared to Toyota's standard inclusion. Summary verdict. The 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ is a specialist. It is essentially a mini-tank designed for people who actually intend to get mud on the roof and want a vehicle that can be easily repaired and customized with its modular bumper system. The 2026 Jeep Renegade is a generalist. It provides the vibe of an adventurer with enough actual capability for 90% of users, all while being significantly more comfortable, tech-heavy, and fuel-efficient for the Monday to Friday grind. Final verdict. Choose the Jeep Renegade if you want daily comfort plus city driving, better fuel economy, modern tech and hybrid options, occasional light off-road use. Choose the Toyota Land Cruiser FJ if you want real off-road performance, tough, durable construction, classic rugged styling, long-term reliability in harsh conditions. Bottom line. Renegade equals lifestyle compact SUV. Land Cruiser FJ equals mini Land Cruiser. If your priority is adventure and toughness, rightward arrow FJ wins easily. If your priority is comfort and daily usability, rightward arrow Renegade wins.